Greetings everyone, this is Kamishita from Kamishita's Corner, and what corner of the world am I in today? I am in Accra, Ghana. Yes, I have went back home and I am making soap with my friend Miriam. So we are going to be making some soap today. I'm going to be showing her how we do it. Not black soap because they can teach me how to do that, but I'm going to be working on making regular bar soaps today. So thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and watch us make sunflower and coconut oil soap. So it's just going to be using two ingredients, sunflower oil and coconut oil. Okay now. Hey!
Hi!
So we are ready. We got our protective gear on. We need your gloves. You need your glasses. Long sleeves are preferable, but they're not necessarily 100% have to. Just in case there's any spills or accidents, it's good to have long sleeves and long pants on. But it's not necessary. As you can see, I have on short sleeves. She has on short sleeves. We'll be fine. We have our ingredients here, and we're about to measure everything out. Stay tuned. 89.
Let's keep going.
Wait. Oh, it's the wind. We're outside and the wind is messing with our scale. Okay, a little more. Oh, well, preferably not with your hand.
I want to go faster.
Yeah. 25. 28. Oh, this wind.
Just a little?
Put a little bit, yeah, just a teensy-weensy one. Oops, not even that much. Yeah, that's good. I took it off.
This past work thing. Oh, I shouldn't get up.
So we're mixing up the lye. Yeah, you can hold it so it don't knock over. Yeah, let me move this. Now, anytime you're mixing lye, you want to be careful that you're working in a well-ventilated area. And if you're outside, make sure the fumes are not blowing towards you like it is me. Let me move.
Oh,
Yes, it's going to get very, very hot.
yeah, I can feel the heat.
It's going to get very, very hot. That's why if you're working with a liquid that has any sugar content, you want to freeze it first. Because it'll get real hot, it'll scorch the sugar, it'll give you an icky smell that you're not going to like. And if you're making any soap that's a certain color, it'll mess up the color.
Okay. I
Yeah.
can still feel the heatness of it.
Yes. And you want to mix it until it's clear. It's going to be almost all of it, for the most part, because I used about 100 grams already. Yeah. And then 110 of this. Oops.
So making 200.
Right. So you can just tear it, or you can just let it go up to 200.
Yes,
exactly.
so I'll take it up to 200. This thing keeps fluctuating.
I know, it's the wind. I didn't know the wind can do that, but it makes sense because the wind is way too.
Because of our daily magic glasses.
And way back now, you used to say acid. I can't home baby pen on a besh.
All right. Last thing, adding that to this.
Okay.
Adding the lye to.
Yes.
Okay, so
I'm
we
taking off my veil.
We added our oils to our lye and we're mixing. Now we're hand mixing, so it's gonna take a minute, so I'm not gonna film all that. But I learned something new today. We were talking about the ingredients and where we can get it, and I was like, yeah, they make black soap here. I don't know if they use the same kind of lye. And she was telling me, what's the name of black soap?
Alata Samana.
Okay, wait. Say it again.
Alata Samana.
Alata Samana.
Yes, that's it.
Alata Samana. That's the name of black soap. That's the local name. Is that tree or ga?
That's Alata. That's tree.
That's tree. Ah, okay. So I learned something of Alata Samana.
Yes.
That's the local way, the tree way of saying black soap.
Yes. It goes with all the dialects.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Alata Samana. Everybody calls it Alata
Ah,
Samana. So
okay,
it's kind
okay.
of one name
For
that
all.
It's.
I learned something new. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we're not going to film all the mixing because that's going to take a minute because we're hand mixing. This process can be done with a stick blender, a hand stick blender, but we don't have that. So this is the old school way. Okay? So normally we would measure this out, but I'm just going to kind of pour it based on what I think. I want you to keep stirring. Yeah. It might start to thicken up good. It might not.
How's that?
It has, yeah. Changed a little bit, the consistency.
And the color changed.
So we're actually putting a little perfume in here. Normally you don't put perfume, you use fragrance oil. But if you have, oh, I wanted to rinse this. Is it okay?
Lizzie? Are we still?
No, it's not. Oh yeah, it's okay.
Should we go
So we are pouring.
Is it okay?
Yes, that's good. You can put however how you want it. Yeah, so it's gonna take on the design of the mold. Oh, so you can do all three. Yeah, I got you. She's like, I want all the designs. So this will take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to take out. I don't know how it's gonna do in the heat here, but if necessary, we could like put it in the freezer to get cold to take out. But I think if I look back on the recipe, it was a pretty hard bar. I put a little bit more coconut oil this time because that'll help make it a harder bar.
I want to get it.
It should be enough for the whole. I'm thinking it's gonna be enough for the whole thing. I'm not sure though. So she wanted each one. There's 3 different designs.
Okay, so I'll go for the design I want the most. Oh,
I'm trying to see. I don't know if y'all can see the design. I don't think so. Oh, you want to make sure you have the most of that one.
Yeah. I think it's gonna feel okay. Maybe it might not feel
Oh, it smells good. I love rose.
the smell.
Yeah, I think it's gonna fill all of them.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I did good. Because the last time I had a little bit extra for the other molds, and I was like, no, I don't want that much.